Hi everybody, this is Adedayo, and in today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to make your own style. Let's go. First thing you need to do is click on the record and edit button, and then you click on new style. To give you a warning sign, click on yes, and you have an empty style. So what I like to do first is to check the metronome button. Let's do something really laid back. So let's do like 86 BPM. You want to change the CV length to however you wish. For this one, I'll be doing 4, just like 4 bars. And I think we're good to go. We'll start with the drums. Now, if you want to record, you have to click on this R button. And once you click on this, it starts to record. Right. Don't forget to change the CV length to 4 so you have enough time to record. All right, let's go. That's for the drums. Come here and do the same thing for bass. 3, let's go. Now we're gonna record the tight brass. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me do synths. 3, everybody say. All right, that's recorded. So let's add this nice sounding EP. 3, everybody say. All right, if you guys remember my favorite synth called the App Banks, let's use it right now.